and gentlemen, here she blows. Thank you to Diablo Sport, baby. All right, guys, so this is the guy you're looking for. It's right up on here. Now I believe I gotta route this to the OBD2 side. And now let's install the actual PCM. It's so easy, like, to follow the step-by-step instructions that it gives you. Yo, best part about owning an SUV, the versatility, bro. I got big ass, wide ass tires in there. Man, the Durango has been coming in handy for years for me. We're moving around car parts, tires, wheels, all that kind of stuff. Man, can you imagine if I had to do this in, like, if the Hellcat was my only car? That would be terrible, man. I love having an SUV for that reason. All right, guys, here we are at the tire shop, but I wanted to show y'all something. Look at that difference in height, bro. Wow, that's a massive difference, bro. The Hoosier is so much taller. It's also a little wider too. You see it's a little wider. By the way, this is all your boy's Stang mode. He wanted to do crazy burnouts, so that's why the tires are done. He was doing crazy burnouts in the garage. We're gonna get these mounted up, and that's it, bro. Let the party begin. So the good thing about mounting these like big gummy tires is that they are super soft. So it's easy to work with, easy to take them on, easy to put them off. Sometimes guys do this type of work, they do it at the track because it's that easy to do. Whereas my other cars with low profile tires, like the Porsche, when I got the 22s on, those tires are super hard to mount. These are very easy. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, oh no, but there was a wheel with air and that's why it was so much taller. Look, no wheel, no air. Look at that. Still way, way taller. Look, no wheel, no air in either tire. Very tall. If it sounds like my voice is muffled, it's because I'm wearing a mask. In New York State, anywhere you go, you gotta have a mask on. I can't take this off, so I'm talking louder so that y'all can potentially hear me. I'm at Wheel and Tire Depot here in Yonkers. Special shout out to them for doing a last minute Friday evening job for me, bro. Friday evening, during a time like this, the guys wanna get home, so I'm gonna have to take care of them. And the cool thing about high speed balancing is, especially when you use road force, is it can mimic the road. But this gives us an opportunity to see how true the wheel and tire is. And also what I like about it is you can preset the air pressure that you want. So in my case, I want to drive around at 22 cold, which once it gets hot, we'll go up to 25, 26. I think that's a good street pressure. Technically, you know, if I notice it's like really cold outside, I'll check my pressures. I don't ever want to go below that 22 though. But let's spin it and see what she looks like spinning to make sure it's true. Very minimal weight is required, so that's good. That's what you want to see. All right, ladies and gents, we have a custom tune from Team Hellcat, the factory demon tune. I was able to send him my factory file without downloading his software. The process is I had to load up the Diablo tune to the vehicle, which then backed up the factory tune to the device. And once I was able to do that, then I had to go to the computer, send him the factory backup. And then what he was able to do is, using that factory backup, write the custom demon file. However, the issue is now I went to go try to download that tune direct to the device, but it told me I needed the software from Diablo. So Diablo offers free software downloaders that you can use, which I'm going through that process right now to download that to my laptop so that I can now load that custom tune back to the device and then load it in the vehicle. So stick with me as I get through that. All right, guys, so the demon tune is loaded on the device. We're gonna load it up on the car right now. You guys seen this process already, so I'm not gonna show it to you. So the next thing you're gonna hear is the cold start and then some testing. I haven't put the tires on yet. I still got on street tires. and it's pretty wet outside, but I'll still get a good idea of making sure that it's running right, but I won't get performance idea. But I'll save that and put it in the video later. Yo, Team Hellcat is so creative. Look at the name that he named the tune. The Demon Eye. I like that. I like that. Mod2Fame Demon Eye. For those of you that are wondering, this tune is letter for letter, dot for dot, number for number, space for space, pound for pound, the factory Demon race gas parameters. Everything matches. This is going to be great information for anyone wanting to know what happens if a Redeye has the same 840 horsepower race gas tune. That's what we're about to find out with this series, guys. I'm so excited. But you see that PCM Mod2Fame Demon Eye riding tune? All right, guys, so here it is. Now look, the ESR wheels that I'm running are 10.5 plus 22. These cars from the factory run an 11, like either +3 or like -3. Anyway, the offset on these are a lot lower. So what I did was I went to my friends over at Akata and I threw some 25 mil spacers on there to kind of even it out, and this is the result. The wheels are dirty right now. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up in a second, but this is the result. That's what it looks like. That looks terrible, but once we clean it and get some tire dressing on it and lower the car back down, it's propped up right now. I got it on a rock so I can get the jack underneath it. But once we get all of that done, I think we're gonna be all right, man. I think it's gonna look decent. I don't like the way it looks. It's not my thing, but it's not about the looks right now. It's about that traction, baby. All right, guys, so there it is. Still dirty, but actually looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. You could barely tell that the wheel in the back is smaller, but we're not about the beauty right now. So let's go get the testing and see how much quicker it is, 60 to 130. All right, continuing this for you guys right now. It's the morning time. The conditions are better. The air is a little drier. Now we can actually officially do our testing, our 60 to 130s. It's still not like optimal because the humidity is a little up. When I did those runs and the car did a 7.7, the temperature was like 40 degrees, 38, 40 degrees. So anything that we get past that is significant. So let's see what we can get, guys. Yo, this is rolling. All right, so I did a third gear roll on and it did 7.6, 60 to 130. Remember, my fastest before was 7.7, 7.8, somewhere around there. But let's do run number 2 right now. Did a 7.4, bro. This joint just did a 7.4, 60 to 130. That means that this thing in optimal conditions is probably gonna do a 7.2, or potentially, I don't know. We'll see, because the conditions are not optimal right now. But 7.4 in this temperature with this level of humidity is like 60-something%, 67%. So it's high humidity, meaning that the car can't breathe as well. But 7.4, very, very nice. I'm very, very happy with that. The Demon is pretty fast, huh? I didn't realize the Demon was this quick, bro. The Demon is pretty fast, man, because this thing is rolling, brother. Rolling, and I love it. I love it, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna holla at y'all in one quick sec when I get settled. right, boys, so just got back to the house, man. As much as I want to keep running and doing pulls for y'all, I got stuff to do. Honeydew time, man. So just got back to the house and about to do that stuff. But listen, guys, it was good hanging out with y'all. As y'all hear my little man over here talking, making noise. Next up on this video series, we're going to be gapping people. We're going to Mexico first. After going to Mexico, then we're going to go to the dyno to see what this car runs. And as soon as the track opens up, we're gonna go ahead and go to the track to see what the demon powered Redeye, see what that's gonna run, man. So that's it, yo. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos going forward. But until the next one, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame. And here in the crib, we out.